Financial independence is a huge part of the struggle for equality. Unfortunately, women have historically been left out of financial decision making, and this is largely due to a lack of financial literacy. So where do women stand when it comes to learning how to manage their finances, and what problems do they face? Let's follow the money and find out. What is financial literacy? Basically, financial education is equal to knowing the basics of money management. पैसा कहाँ से आ रहा है, कहाँ जा रहा है और कैसे बच सकता है. Financial literacy helps you distinguish between taking loans from a bank or from a fraudster. And sometimes they are the same thing. Why aren't women financially literate? Though women know aate dal ka bhav and have been running homes forever, the belief is that they need not worry about how the money is coming in or what the bigger decisions are, like where to invest, how much to save, and what to splurge on. And it's further compounded by factors like education. Only 65.4% women in India are literate. And with no focus on financial literacy in schools, they're at higher risk of falling prey to money scams. Everything from chit funds to pyramid schemes look more attractive. So compound or simple, there is no interest in keeping money management in the male domain anymore. Privilege. With no access to financial literacy, the default in rural areas is for women to be completely financially dependent on male members of the family. There is also a gap in the number of women who are digitally literate in India. So the move to digital banking further creates barriers. Schemes. While most banks offer the token scheme or two for women, they are not lucrative or easy enough for women to cash in on them. Now, what happens when women become financially literate? Equipped with the right information, women can better plan for uncertainties like financial downturns, divorce, and death. The more they become financially independent and make financially sound decisions, the more the economy will benefit. So how can this happen? By empowering women right from school, through education, in homes, through involvement in financial planning, and in financial institutions with support. We can ensure they aren't afraid to manage their own bank accounts and lives. Keeping women out of the budget ki batein has a wider impact than we may realize. In 2018, India ranked 139th out of 144 countries with a 66% gender gap in terms of economic participation. It's time we act on the fact that when women are financially educated, it ensures the literacy of future generations. And it's not like women don't understand economics. Geeta Gopinath is the IMF's chief economist and Anshula Kant is the CFO and MD of the World Bank. There is no doubt that we can crunch those numbers under our heels if we have to. Agar paisa bolta hai, so let's include women in the conversation too. And in case you're wondering, who is this new voice? Hi. My name is Taskeen and I'm so happy to be a part of this video by Vitamins 3 for creating financial awareness. I run a YouTube channel myself called The Urban Fight, where I make topics like career and finance interesting. So if you want to get a job, start investing and secure your future, then I promise you'll love my videos. The link to my channel is in the description. I'll see you there. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Vitamins 3.